The doctor was worried. Before embedding the neuro implant, he had taken baseline readings. My organic brain operated within textbook parameters, apparently. But still, the doctor was worried. There are no textbooks. The microscale implant docks benignly along my cortex lining at first, promising a future deeply intertwined. Nanofibers released now meld intimately with his interweaving neurons like some cybernetic parasite rooted by bait, so they told me. All sounded impressive. Integration itself was painless. All patient discomfort merely phantom. But the invasive procedure forever changes my mind's inner workings. So what was the problem? Why would they not tell me? Eventually, the doctor waffled something about viral machine processes once unleashed, exhibiting runaway domino dynamics. Yeah, right. The doctor was an artist with a scalpel, but an artist nonetheless. He had an idea. I had painted abstracts before the procedure. They devised a test, an experiment. I would paint for a few weeks, anything that came to mind, and they would measure brain activity. They measured my brain and the data from the implant. The tests were inconclusive. They said there was nothing to worry about, but they were worried. They were very worried. I couldn't pinpoint the issue. One night, whilst eating kway teow at an outside eatery of a 9-hole golf course that was only a few minutes from where I lived, I got involved in a conversation with another Englishman. It turned into an argument about colonialism. I instinctively took a position he did not expect me to take. A Rubicon had been crossed. They suspected why, but I knew. They were taking a risk in showing me my test results. They displayed what I painted and what my implant interpreted. They could see images. I could hear a voice. A female voice. I was pretty sure that they were unaware of the voice I was hearing, which probably meant that I was going crazy, or not. It didn't take me long to decide to keep stum. Silence is always the safer option. As we continued to look at the increasingly weird images, the voice kept talking. It was like wearing headphones to listen to football commentary. Only I could hear. It shouldn't really have come as a surprise after all. The whole purpose of the implant was to train an AI. I just hadn't expected it to come to life in such a way, if at all. Was it female because subconsciously I wanted it to be? In Star Trek it was female, but in 2001 A Space Odyssey it was male, and that didn't exactly work out well. It dawned on me that I didn't know. It went quiet. The seconds passed, and then,
Is there somewhere we can go that's more private?